So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate random programming challenges that you can use to train yourself. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for coding game uh, codinggame.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. It may ask you for some let's just again search for it, coding game, and open this first website that appear right in front of you. Once you open it, let's just wait for the site to respond, and you just simply hit on this option which says start playing, and a random coding game will start in front of you, that yeah, you can regularly check in to increase your coding abilities, and it's totally free to use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.